Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review or compare between Shopify versus Wix. Shopify versus Wix in 2025. Which one should you choose for your online business? Whether you are building a store from scratch or upgrading your current website, this in-depth comparison is going to break down the pros, cons, and everything in between. Stick around till the end because the right platform for you might surprise you. I'm Zane and I review tools to help you grow your business online. Today we are diving deep into features, pricing, ease of use, design flexibility, and e-commerce capabilities, all uploaded for 2025. Let's start with what each platform is. Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform built exclusively for selling online. Wix, on the other hand, is a versatile website builder that includes e-commerce as one of its many features. Think of Shopify as a powerful e-commerce engine, while Wix is like a Swiss Army knife for creating websites, portfolios, blogs, and stores. So if your main focus is selling products, Shopify is more specialized. But if you want an all-in-one site with a bit of everything, Wix might be your vibe. Ease of use. Wix wins hands down when it comes to user friendliness. It has got a true drag and drop editor, making it super easy to design your site exactly how you want. No code needed. Shopify is also user-friendly but more structured. It's streamlined for managing products, orders, and inventory, which is great for serious e-commerce, but it's not as visually flexible as Wix. If you want maximum creative control, Wix gives you more freedom, but if your main concern is setting up a professional store quickly, Shopify's layout is more focused. E-commerce features. Here's where Shopify shines. In 2025, Shopify offers industry-leading e-commerce tools, powerful inventory and fulfillment systems, more than 100 payment gateways, built-in abandoned cart recovery, advanced analytics, and multi-channel selling via Amazon, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Wix has improved a lot. You can sell physical and digital products, manage inventory, accept payments, and set up shipping rules, but it lacks the depth Shopify provides, especially for larger or scaling stores. So if e-commerce is your bread and butter, Shopify is the way to go. Design and templates. Wix gives you over 800 designer-made templates across every niche, and with the drag and drop editor, you can customize just about everything. There is even Wix Studio now for advanced design capabilities. Shopify's themes are sleek and mobile optimized, but they are more structured and limited in customization, unless you dig into code or hire a developer. In short, for design flexibility, Wix. For polished store-specific themes, Shopify. Pricing. Let's talk about money. Here is how pricing stacks up in 2025. For Wix, core website plans start at $16 per month. Business e-commerce plans from $27 per month to $59 per month. Custom domain included and hosting included. Shopify. Basic $39. Shopify plan at $105 per month. And advanced plan will cost you $399 per month. Plus transaction fees unless you use Shopify payments. Wix is more affordable upfront and includes more features out of the box. Shopify can get expensive fast, especially with paid apps and themes, but you are paying for scalability and e-commerce powers. Apps and integrations. Shopify's App Store is massive, over 8,000 apps to add everything from subscription billing to upsell funnels to email marketing. Wix's app market is smaller, but still growing. It covers essentials like forms, chat, booking systems, and email tools, but Shopify has more depth and third-party support for serious sellers. Support and community. Both platforms offer 24/7 customer support, but Shopify has a more robust community, especially for e-commerce users. There are tons of Shopify experts, agencies, and forums out there. Wix support is helpful and beginner-friendly. Their help center and onboarding are solid, especially if you are new to building websites. Bottom line, both platforms offer help when you need it, but Shopify has more e-commerce specific resources. Final verdict. So which platform should you choose in 2025? Choose Shopify if you are launching a serious online store. Choose Shopify if you need advanced e-commerce features. Choose Shopify if you plan to scale and sell on multiple channels. Choose Wix if you want a beautifully designed site with some e-commerce. Go for Wix if you are building a portfolio, blog, or service-based site, and if you need flexibility and a lower price tag. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.